In this video, I will show you how you can close background running apps on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, let's open an app. Now let's say if I open the Google Messages app. Now to stop this app from running in the background, just go to the recent apps section and from here just swipe on the app to turn it off. As you can see, this app is running in the background, but if I swipe up, I will close the app from running in the background. Now, if you want to close individual apps, you can do it like that, or you can tap on Close All. And if you tap on Close All, you will close all the apps from running in the background. Now, sometimes if you remove an app from the recent apps section, it will not completely turn off. It will still run in the background. Now, to stop that specific app from running in the background, just go to Settings, then tap on About. From here, just tap on Software Information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Then just enter your lock screen pin or pattern and select OK. Now after you enable developer options, then under settings just scroll down and at the bottom of the list you will find the option of developer options. Now just tap on developer options and over here if you scroll down you will find the option of running services. Now just tap on it. And over here, you will find all the apps which are currently running in the background. As you can see, we don't have any app open in the background, but all these apps in this list are running in the background. Now to stop a selected app from running in the background, just tap on the app and select Stop. And after you do that, you will stop the selected app from running in the background, just like that. And this is how you can stop apps from running in the background on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.